to that next person out there that's considering turning their lake house or trailer or anything into a short-term rental, like what should they be considering before jumping into that?
Well, I think that it's really, really important to have a team of professionals in the area that can be relied on. So the most important thing I think that really makes a good short-term rental business is having a good cleaner on your side. That is so important. And we actually went through several different cleaners, and they just didn't understand that the demands that are upon them when they are taking these on, and the fact that they might get a last minute request, same day, that they're going to have to deal with. So we went through a period where we lost, actually, I think it was about 3 cleaners. And then we found our golden goose.
All right.
So she is managing now, cleaning our 6 properties. And she has one other girl that helps her. But it's same day. So I will get, a same day rental, and she'll be out there in an hour and a half, to just get that cleaned up and everything and get it ready. So having her, I don't know what I would do without having a good kind of situation with that in place. I pay her well. And I think that that's one of the reasons why, she's really on it with our properties. And then we also have an amazing maintenance guy that is 24/7 for us. And he actually has a system to where he provides that for specifically short-term rental hosts. So he has monthly agreements with hosts where he is available 24/7 if there's something that comes up. And so we pay, I think it's like an $80 a month subscription fee per property. But, something comes up, if there's like a clog in the toilet, or if there's like the lock box isn't working properly, or there's something wrong with one of the appliances, he's on it, and he will be over there in a period of like less than an hour. So
subscription fee idea. Yeah.
So it's really cool. And he actually has like a different group of things that he checks each month. So he'll go in, and part of that subscription fee is basically to check everything at the property and say, okay, this is all in good shape, but this might need new batteries, or this might need, some upkeep done to it and everything. So we really stay on top of it that way. So I would say having a good team is the most important thing, because you kind of can get to the point where you are like, oh, I can do this, I've got this in the bag, and then you get a last minute rental and you're panicking because you don't have anybody to clean it. So
yeah, we've all stayed in hotels, and the worst thing you could have is a hotel that you're looking forward to for whatever it is, an event, a vacation, and you get there and it's like dirty. Like it's such like the experience from that point on is just, it's downhill. But it can be mitigated if you get it cleaned quickly. But it's always good that like crystal, like sparkly clean, especially in COVID, right up front.
Exactly. Yes.